Hey everybody, I want to introduce you to the Boomwhackers. Now I was going to do an unboxing, but I forgot about doing that and got so busy getting interested in playing this instrument. And I have a whole group of students that just left and they love these. They're trying to talk their mom into getting a set of these to have at home. So they're going to be starting to learn how to play the Boomwhackers as a group. And this really is a group instrument. I'm going to show you a few things and so you can see how they sound. There's wonderful videos out there of people playing the Boomwhackers, playing the theme for the Pink Panther, James Bond, and even the Mario Brothers game songs. And it is so much fun and it's fabulous. So if you have a group of kids at home and you want them to get interested in music and learning how to read music, this is a wonderful instrument to learn to play. And it follows the same color code as my desk bells that I did an unboxing of. I'll put a link in the description below for that video. And I just want you to go through these with me a little bit. So if you're new to the Boomwhackers, you get a little bit of an understanding of what's going on here. So all of our Boomwhackers are tuned to a specific note in the C scale. So we have our first one. This is in this diatonic set. It is our C note. This one would be our middle C. Middle C is the most important note in music because it splits the bass clef to the treble clef. Everything to the right of middle C is played with the right hand. Everything to the left is played with the left hand. So this is our middle C. So you can hear that. Next, our orange note is D. And we're just going to go up the C scale. Yellow is E. Green is F. G is teal. A is purple. B is pink. And then we have our octave C. Now, you'll be able to recognize this tune. I'm going to play chopsticks, but it is going to be a little slower because I have to grab a new Boomwhacker when I change notes. But you can hear how this goes. Okay, here's chopsticks. Instrument for a group of kids who want to play, and getting music to play by color is the way to do it. And I'll be putting some videos together for the Boomwhackers, and you'll be able to download that. And if you get yourself a set of Boomwhackers, it doesn't come, mine didn't come with any music book or anything like that. But if you do get a set of Boomwhackers, keep watching on my channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And when I post Boomwhackers, I will have the music available so you can download that and play along with us. So on our musical journey, today is the Boomwhacker. Have fun with music. It's not as hard as you think it is if you've never played anything before. Stick with me and you can learn to play a lot of different instruments. Have a fantastic day.